Good afternoon, and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. Today I will be sharing with you why you should eat orange peels. Many people are surprised to find out that orange peel actually has 4 times more fiber than the fruit itself. The peel also contains more cancer-fighting properties than what is inside. Citrus fruits have long had a reputation of high concentrations of healthful nutrients such as vitamin C, and recent research continues to uncover new health benefits from many citrus flavonoids. Although the flavonoids are abundant within the fruit itself, they are found in highest concentration in the peel, which means that unless you're cooking with citrus peel or zest, the best way to get the full antioxidant punch is to eat a bit of the tart white flesh on the inside of the fruit's peel. So the next time you peel that orange, before you throw out the peel, reconsider. You can make orange peel tea. Orange can be an energy booster. Dry out a few orange peels and place them in hot water. Let them steep for a few minutes and drink it. Orange tea is also great for when you are feeling congested. The citrus will open up your sinuses. Orange peels have been used since ancient times to lower blood pressure. Chinese medicine used bitter orange peels as a natural medicine. Some herbalists suggest eating orange peels as a way to lower blood pressure naturally. The orange peel has antioxidants that help strengthen the immune system. This in turn helps you stave off germs and viruses, such as the cold virus and the flu virus. Orange is a great source of vitamins C and A, which help to fight infection, colds, and flu. They can also help to lower cholesterol. Orange peel contains no biotin, a type of compound which is found to exert positive effect on the heart. Due to this compound, it will help to lower your bad cholesterol levels. Orange peel may help to increase your metabolism and help the body burn fat faster. They are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them a useful food if you're trying to lose weight. The peel of an orange has cancer-fighting properties. It contains flavonoids that work with the vitamins to slow down the growth of cancer cells. Increased consumption of orange peel in the diet lowers the risk of cancers, namely skin, breast, and colon cancer. It is great for stomach-related issues. Consuming orange peel on a regular basis can reduce constipation, heartburn, and vomiting. Drinking orange peel tea can also help with bronchitis pain. In fact, if you drink the tea often enough, you can heal the infection completely. Orange peels are a great remedy for bad breath. By chewing small pieces, you can get rid of any foul odor in your mouth. It also fights against cavities and keeps your breath fresher for longer. Lastly, orange peels can be used as a mosquito repellent. Take fresh orange peels and rub them all over your skin. The citrus scent will repel mosquitoes. The simplest way to use orange peels is to grate the orange peel and sprinkle the zest on salads, vegetables, and desserts. Of course, it is important to purchase organic fruit to make sure that your orange has not been treated with pesticides or other harmful chemicals. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.